What's up guys, after so many leaks, OnePlus 60 is now official with a lot of upgraded stuff. So in this video, we are gonna be taking a look at the top 6 best features of the OnePlus 60. So first up is the new display design. OnePlus 60 has this new all-screen design with a very small notch on top in the form of a water drop. We have seen this in the leaks, but now it is official. Next up, here is the in-display fingerprint scanner. The OnePlus 60 features an optical in-display fingerprint scanner that can work with the help of a camera which is placed underneath the display, and also the OnePlus 60 has no headphone jack, and according to OnePlus, they ditched the headphone jack in favor of a bigger battery and in-display fingerprint scanner. But I recently read this comment, I don't know in which video I took a screenshot, but in this comment SM Ghazi Jaffrey says that Samsung can put an S Pen in the Note with a beautiful infinity display and 4000 mAh battery, but these phones cannot have a headphone jack.
Got it! Got it!
But let me know what you think about it. Next on the list is the bigger battery. So the OnePlus 60 has a 3700 mAh battery, very close to a 4000 mAh as compared to 3300 mAh on the OnePlus 6, which is a very meaningful upgrade. And OnePlus 60 also has a support for OnePlus fast dash charging. Next up, here is the software. OnePlus 60 has an Android 9.0 Pie with OnePlus own magical optimization, which makes this phone very fast. And they also introduced Smart Boost feature with the 60, which should speed up load times by up to 20% for apps and games. It works by storing app data in memory to improve cold boot times. It closes the apps it learns you don't use much. Next on the list is the durability. So the OnePlus 60 comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 6 protection, which is 2 times more durable than the Gorilla Glass 5, and here is also a bigger base storage model. Means there's no 64 gigs of storage available with the OnePlus 60. OnePlus only offered 128 gigs of base storage, and in the high storage model you get the 256 GB of internal storage with up to 8 gigs of RAM. Now final thing on the list here is the pricing. You get the in-display fingerprint scanner, 20 plus 16 megapixel rear camera with nightscape mode that allows you to take better low light shots in dark environment, water drop notch display design, OLED display, 128 gigs of storage, 6 gigs of RAM, sadly no headphone jack, but yeah, 3.5 to USB-C dongle in just $549. And if you want 8 gigs of RAM with same storage, then you have to pay a little more, that is a $579. But if you want 8 gigs of RAM with 256 GB of internal storage, then you have to pay $629. So yeah, that's all on the OnePlus 60. Let me know which feature is your favorite and what you think about its price. And please make sure to subscribe for more upcoming daily tech videos, and I will catch you guys in the next one. See you soon.